G'day DIY pool legends. Well, today we're going to show a video about how easy it is to fit fittings into the pool, so return jets and heating fittings and the like. This is a 40mm return jet for the filtration going into the shallow end of the pool. First thing you're going to do, grab your silicone gun, put a good bead of silicone around the top of the thread, push it through and hold it in place for a moment just to make sure that it's sitting properly. Now the silicone that you're going to be using, you want a marine grade or a pool specific silicone. The manufacturer uses Sikaflex. It's considered one of the best. Stick with that. Put a really generous bead of silicone on the outside. You do not want to come back to these fittings ever with your pool. So if you're not sure, put more on than what you need. You'll see it squish out to the sides. That's what you want to see, so that way you know there's more than enough silicone underneath that locking collar and between the pool wall itself. Now it's as easy as just giving it a clean up with your fingers, as you can see here. Doesn't need to be absolutely Picasso quality. And then grab some open jaw pliers and you just want to give that locking collar a quarter of a turn just to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere with the vibrations of pipework down the track. Now, because you're pulling on the other side, probably a little bit of silicone squished out on the inside of the pool. So give it a wipe down, just make sure it's nice and clean, because that's the part you're going to see. And then if you're wondering, well, how do you actually connect the fittings, the pipework into the back of that fitting? Cut yourself a short piece of 40mm pipe, glue it into the opening on that fitting, glue your pipework then onto that bit of 40mm pipe and run it back to where it's going. It's that easy. Alright DIY pool legends, I hope this video has helped. Good luck with your pool installation, and as always, if you have any ideas on content that you'd like to see, please let us know. We love hearing from you, and if you get a chance, we'd love it if you subscribe to the channel. Cheers!